Today, let's make an instant sweet and sour mango pickle. This is my grandma's recipe. Recipe may have slight variations depending upon the sourness of the mango. If the mango is very sour, you may add any of the sweeteners like jaggery, sugar or dates. I have taken a mango called badami. It has a tinge of sweetness even when it is raw. So, I haven't added any sweeteners. Wash the mangoes well and wipe it dry. Cut the mangoes according to your choice. To the cut mangoes, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, salt and 1 cup white vinegar and mix it well. The choice of Kashmiri chili gives bright red color to the pickle. Roast the mustard, cumin and fennel seeds. Grind the roasted seeds into powder. Mix the powder with the mangoes. For tempering, we need 4 green chilies, few cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger and some curry leaves. Slice this and saute it in sesame oil. Then mix it with the mangoes. It gives a tempting aroma. You can consume it instantly. Pickle tastes better as the days pass. The picture was taken after 1 week. Look at the difference in texture. Trust me, you will love it.